Okay, now we're going to restock the shelves. I've preloaded the containers that go on the door, and now I'll stock those on now. My most important shelf is the one right here at the grab height for the milk. And so let's put the milk back in. That's the thing I take out most often. Got some condiments here. Now we're all restocked. We've organized. We have plenty of space up top for the drinks. We have our cheeses and veggies in here, and we have fruits here. I've turned the power on temporarily here. We're going to turn it off again when we clean down underneath. That's the most important time to have power off. We wanted it off here also so that the surfaces aren't getting cold and you start icing up with your cleaning fluids.